Assalamu alaikum students. I am your mathematics teacher Aniza. Hope you're all doing fine. Today we are going to study from New Countdown Book 3 3rd edition. On page IV there are contents. Okay, we will start from unit number 1, that is numbers, even and odd numbers, Roman numbers, 4 digit and 5 digit numbers, 6 digit numbers. We will going to study unit 1, numbers. You have already learned in previous classes about 3-digit numbers and Arabic numerals. Here, there are two types of numbers, even numbers and odd numbers. The even numbers, which can be divisible by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, up to so on, these are our even numbers. And odd numbers are those which cannot be divided by 2, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Here are some examples. You can see in example 1 there is 62, 84, 90, 10, 76. These are all divided by 2. That's why these are even number. And in example 2, 31, 45, 73, 85, these are all odd numbers because these cannot be divided by 2. Okay, in example 3, circle the odd numbers. Here are some numbers from 41 to 49 and you have to circle the odd numbers. Which are the odd numbers? That is 41, 43, 45, 47 and 49. Okay, come to the next example, that is write even numbers from 30 to 45. Okay, 30 to 45 you have to write the even numbers which can be divided by 2. Okay, our today's topic is Roman numbers. Roman numbers are those numbers which invented by the Romans. Here on page number 3 there is a chart given, that is the Roman used 7 letters of the alphabet to represent numbers. There are Roman symbols and Arabic numerals. 1 is equals to I, 5 in Roman will be V, 10 is equals to X, 50 is equals to L, 100 is equals to C, 500 is equals to D, and 1000 is equals to M. In Romans you have no symbol for 0. In Romans the counting always start from 1. Okay, now we have Arabic numerals by solving our mathematics calculations, but there are some places where we can use the Roman numbers. On page number 4 you can see a Roman counting, that is from 1 to 10. 1 is equals to I, 2 is equals to double I, 3 is equals to triple I, 4 is equals to IV, 5 is equals to V, 6 is equals to VI, 7 is equals to V double I, 8 is equals to V triple I, and 9 is equals to IX, and 10 is equals to X. These Roman digits will be helpful writing other Roman counting from 1 to 100 or up to so on. Learn this Roman counting from 1 to 10 so that you can write the next counting. Okay, come to the page number 5. There is an activity question number 1. Write the Roman numbers for the given Arabic numbers. Here are some Arabic numbers and you have to write their Roman numbers. You have to learn the Roman counting from 1 to 10 so that you can write the counting from 11 to 20. Okay, look at here. 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Okay, in Roman 10 is equals to x, got it, plus, and 1 is equals to I. Now if you have to write 11, how to write 11 in Roman? X plus I means x I, this will be equals to 11. Okay, if you have to write the 12, how to write 12? That is 10 plus 2 is equals to 12 in Arabic. Okay, in Roman 10 is equals to x plus 2 is equals to double I. This will be equals to x double I. X double I means 12. In Roman 12 is equals to x double I. By using this method you can solve the activity 1. So look at the answers. Here 11 is equals to xi, 12 is equals to x double I, 13 is equals to x triple I, 14 is equals to xiv, 15 is equals to xv, 16 is equals to xvi, 17 is equals to xv double I, 18 is equals to xv triple I, 19 is equals to xix, and 20 is equals to double x. There is an activity on page number 5. Sarah has sent a message to her friend Amna. Help Amna to solve these messages written in Roman number code. The code is given below. There are some code in Arabic numbers. The alphabets are given in front of the Arabic numbers. Okay, first change the number into Arabic ones, then find the letter that matches each numeral. Write the letter in the boxes. Look at the first one, X triple I. X triple I means 13. Look at the 13. 13 is equals to I. You have to write I here. So this is the method to solve this activity. This is your activity on page number 5. You have to solve this one. Okay, come to this chart. Remember, okay, you need to remember these digits 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. These are given in Arabic numerals and Roman numbers also. So these are very helpful to write the Roman counting up to 100. Learn them by heart. There's a question number 3. Look at the Roman symbols on page 4. You have to write the Roman counting from 1 to 100 on your notebooks. This is your diary. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. Till then, Allah Hafiz.